What is stopping us? Number one comes, this is not the right time.
Yeah.
Second, this is not the right place.
Yes. I'm not the right person.
I'm not the right person for it.
It's not the right choice. I do not know what.
मुझे मालूम ही नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा. I don't know right time है कि मालूम नहीं, right place है, right person, right choice है कि नहीं. I don't know what to do in my life at all. I'm completely blank. So how many of you are like, who is falling in which category? People can just pop up. What is
One.
stopping?
The first and the fourth one.
Okay. Who is
Same
it?
first and fourth.
First and third.
Okay. Others?
First
So
and
I
third.
always
You can take-
fall
you can
into
take a
the
minute of
category
time.
of this is not the right time. The reason behind this is, that when you are around people, whenever I meet people and I tell them that, I completed my graduation, which is not related to this field.
Okay.
And they keep telling me that, why are you coming into this field? This is this is not the right time to learn, There's this and that, and there's these issues, and they always keep brainwashing you with these kinds. I try not to get hampered by them, but then eventually, your mind starts getting diverted in that direction.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah,
I'm
so
an engineer
I don't have
by...
any kind of self-doubt, or I don't have anything in mind that, this is not the right place or anything. I think India is like the perfect country to, practice jewelry, and I have no self-doubt about how creative I can be with selling jewelry or making jewelry for that matter. But
Great.
about the right time, that is something I have an issue with.
So what is bothering you is what people tell about you, right?
Yes, but what happens is that, and it's not that people from some other backgrounds or some people, who are actually very, very much into the industry, they are doing very, very well. But they still come and tell me that, this is not the right time. Why are you coming into this? Just get a corporate job and stay happy. That's what they keep telling me.
Okay. But are you satisfied? Are you happy that this is the right time for you to do it?
So honestly, see, I'm learning right now, and I am trying to get as much exposure as possible. I am happy with the kind of exposure I'm getting around.
Great, then go ahead. People will keep talking. People will keep saying. It's important for you if you're happy or not.
Sometimes
This is not the right time, it's solved for you.
Sometimes that happens because that particular person is probably seeing potential in it, or maybe as a competitor in future. So
Maybe.
So that also happens. It happens in all the industries, not just us. And in our industry, we are slightly more unorganized. The diamond trade, definitely, jewelry trade a little bit. So when you compare that to a finance industry or to the marketing industry, people are more professional. They support each other. India, jewelry industry is still coming onto that. We'll soon be there. So you don't have to really be demotivated.
Yeah.
But do what you're passionate about. As simple as that.
How many of you all
Thank
have
you so
heard
much.
about this father, son and the donkey story?
Yes.
Yes, we have.
Heard? Who has heard about it?
We'd like to hear it.
Okay.
We would
I
like
think-
to hear.
Okay, not many of them have heard, so okay, I'll repeat it once more for you. So once, like a father and a son, they were walking along with the donkey and going towards the street. They were just walking along. So people were like, "Yaar, donkey hai," and father and the son both are walking. What useless people! Any one of them can sit on the donkey. They can use the donkey. Why they are walking? It's hot summer and they're just walking barefooted. So what the father does कि लड़के को बिठा देता है donkey पे. So ठीक है, they keep going. Next street, few people who pass by, they are like, यार कितना heartless father है. He's walking and son को बिठा दिया ऊपर. तो next street पे वो लोग switch कर लेते हैं. Father को ऊपर बिठा देता है, son खुद चल के जाता है. The next street people are again like, such a poor man. He's sitting on the donkey. He's getting ashamed. People are looking at him, and the son is completely freely walking beside. So now both of them sit on the donkey on the next street. कि चलो दोनों बैठ जाते हैं. So then people are like, poor donkey, heartless people. They don't have any heart. They are just crushing the donkey. Poor donkey. How will the donkey carry both of them? So then what happens next? Both of them carry the donkey on their head, and then they walk. So whatever you do in life, this was especially for the person who spoke previously. It was like, people are telling me not the right time to join the course and everything. Whatever you do, people are going to really tell you something or the other. That's why I always ask people this when I meet them. Whenever we go for live sessions, we have one of the activities, but the conclusion is, what is the biggest fear people have? What is the biggest fear people have?
Of not
It's an open question. Sorry?
Of not
Why?
What people will think about you.
Also, fear of failure.
Fear of failure. Very
Yeah,
good.
fear of failure.
Very good. What else? What are the other kind of fears?
Expectations of others.
Okay, great. What else?
Could be like a reputation thing.
Yes, reputation is also a fear. Next.
You know, you're never able to estimate your self-worth.
Okay. What else? Naman, what are your fears?
I'm too patient.
Sorry?
I'm too patient.
You're too patient, okay. What else? Now listen to what I say. I'll have somebody to repeat this again.
Your fears can be a strength also sometimes.
Can be. Everybody has different fears. The biggest fear people have is people fear. It's called people fear. मैं ऐसे करूँगा तो what people will think. मैं वैसे करूँगा तो what others will think.
And second thing, sir, it's like if we trust people, तो एक fear भी रहता है that they don't break our trust. एक expectations होती है कि वो trust break ना करे and डर भी लगता है कि अगर break कर दिया तो.
हाँ, that is also related to people, no?
Yeah.
Right? Reputation. Somebody spoke about reputation. Reputation is also related to people, right? Reputation अगर खराब हो गई तो what people will think, right? So everything, whatever fear you have, everything is ultimately connected to people.
Yes.
So the biggest fear we all are suffering today with this people fear. So first we need to again come out of that, because I'll tell you a very simple statement to understand this. Nobody has time to think about you because everybody is busy thinking what others are thinking of them.
True. That's true.
I'll repeat it once more if somebody didn't understand. Nobody has time to think about you because everybody else is busy thinking what others are thinking of them.
True.
जैसे आप सोच रहे हो ना कि वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा होगा, वो like example Geetanjali ma'am would be thinking what Sheetal is thinking about me. At the same time, Sheetal would be thinking कि what Geetanjali is thinking about me. It's
True.
as simple as that.
Yeah. This happens.
As simple as that. So everybody is busy thinking about each other, but not about themselves.
Yeah.